Hi, you're welcome back to the data sufficiency hard questions on GMAT. Let's have a look at today's question. Okay, so it says that A, Beth, Carl and Duncan are four siblings, so we can take them to be, say, A, B, C and D. Among which Abe and Carl are twins, so let's simplify this, that A is equal to C. Beth and Duncan are twins, so we can write B equals D. So we can start doing this at each step to make our work a little easier. Now when the present ages of the four siblings are multiplied, the product is 900. So we know it's a perfect square because A into C is A square and B into D is D square. So this is 30 square, which can be simplified as 3 into 3, 2 into 2 and 5 into 5. And then we are also given that Beth is older than A. That means A and C are strictly less than B and D. So with this information, what we can try and write is that we can try and write the ages of A and C and B and D. We know that age of A and C is less than age of B and D, and the product of their ages has to be 30. So the combinations can be 3 and 10. Then it can be 1 and 30, then it can be 5 and 6, and then it can be 2 and 15. These are the four combinations we can have. Now let's look at each fact individually. Okay, let's have a look at fact 1. The difference between Beth's age and Abe's age is a prime number. So it says B minus A is prime. Let's figure out here. 10 minus 3 is 7, this is 29, this is 1 and this is 13. Now it says it's prime, so we have more than one prime here. That means this fact is not going to help me answer a question as a unique numerical value, so A and D gets ruled out. Now let's have a look at the second fact. It says if Carl had been 4 years earlier, that means whatever values we are given here, if it was a plus 4, then the difference between ages of Duncan and Carl would be a prime number. Now here we're not specified whether it's D minus C or C minus D. So to make it safer, we can apply a mod here that negative doesn't matter. So if I add 4 to 3, it's 10 minus 7, which is 3. If I add 4 here, it is 30 minus 5, which is 25. If I add 4 here, it's 9 minus 6, which is 3. If I add 4 here, it is 15 minus 6, which is 9. As you can see, we have two options which comes out to be prime. That means B alone is also not going to help you answer the question, so B gets eliminated. Now when you combine 1 and 2, 1 gives you a combination of 310, 130, 215. Second gives you a combination of 310 and 56. So among the two, the common one comes out to be 3 and 10. Therefore, you're getting a unique numerical value. You know that the age of A and C would be 3 and the age of B and D would be 10. And therefore, your answer comes out to be C. If you like my videos, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that. You can share the videos. If you have any questions, any hard questions, you can share those questions with me on my email ID, which is info@doyen-ed.com. I try and take my questions from various resources like GMAT Club, Manhattan, the official GMAT questions, or any other questions that my students had shared with me. Thank you.